When you get a credit card bill for the first time, here's how to pay it. A credit card bill is called a statement. You might get a paper statement in the mail, or you might get an email saying your electronic statement is ready to be viewed. Either way, there are 3 important numbers at the top of the statement that you need to pay attention to. The first number is the balance. This is the total amount of money you charged on the credit card during the last billing cycle. The second number is the minimum payment. This is the minimum amount of money you need to pay for that billing cycle. The third number is the payment due date. This is the last day you can pay your bill without receiving a late fee. So what does all that mean? Even though the minimum payment is a much smaller and more attractive number, the balance is the number you want to pay when paying your bill. If you don't pay the whole balance by that due date, you'll be charged interest on the rest, and it will carry over into the next month. How much interest? That information is usually listed at the bottom of the statement. It might say interest charges, but it will also say annual percentage rate, or APR. That's the percentage of interest you'll pay on any remaining part of the balance every month until you've paid it off in full. How do you actually make the payment? Your statement will contain payment instructions. Paper statements will have a small portion to tear off, attach a check, and mail to the address they tell you. The statement will also show how to make your payment online. The first time you do this, you'll create a login on the website associated with the credit card and say which bank account you'd like the payment to come from. After you create the login, it only takes a few minutes to make a payment. Don't wait until the last minute to make your payment. Paying a few days early means you won't forget and be charged a late fee. Hopefully, you're able to make a payment for the full balance, so you're not charged any interest. But if you can't pay the full balance, pay as much as you can. Every dollar you pay more than the minimum means less you'll pay in interest. You can do the calculation yourself. Just search online for credit card payoff calculator. Enter your balance, payment, and interest rate to see how long it'll take to pay it off and how much interest you'll owe. Experiment with entering a higher payment and see how much it affects your total interest and total payoff time. If you want to pay more than the minimum, you don't have to do anything special. Just send more money and the credit card company will apply it to your balance. You don't even have to wait for the statement to close. Log in anytime. And now you know.